Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today's going to be a video of the 56-inch Harbor Breeze Saratoga in the family room. We got this installed when we got our house. There used to be a Home Decorators Correction Murray here in brushed nickel, I believe. But yeah, this fan dries your eyes out really easily because of the thick, heavy blades. The capacitors are meant to be really slow on these things because of the blades with like a really steep blade pitch. They're supposed to blow more air. So yeah, we're gonna start off on low with this fan. Actually, the light first. 1 second, it's a little dim. There we go. It's better. Yeah, that's the light. Let's start off on low. It makes these weird clicking noises, probably because of the receiver inside the canopy. By the way, these are the side lights that we have on the sides. 3 on this end, 2 on this end. Just gonna leave this on. And again, there's the cat. Hey, get off. No. Oh, oh gosh. Sorry about that. My cat's on the, what do you call it? The big dresser thingy. Yeah, let's move it to medium. Move it to high. Dude, get off the table now. Alright, let's move back to speed 0. Alrighty guys, that is it for the Harbor Breeze Saratoga. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in a future video. So yeah, bye bye.